Hello folks, and thanks for clicking on this video. I finally had some spare time to make some videos. At the moment I am very busy with an internship, and besides that my car broke down on me last time, so I had to fix that as well. Today we're gonna talk hot bluing. I have already made a video about cold bluing, which you guys seem to like. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to watch it. I will put it in the info card. And also, you would help me a lot by subscribing to my channel and leaving a like on this video only after you finished watching it. All I'm using for hot bluing is a propane torch, vegetable oil and some degreaser. I will start by cleaning and degreasing the steel part that I want to blue. This step is very important to get a good and reliable result. The next step involves heating the part using the propane torch. I like to heat the part evenly until it starts to discolor to a bluish color. When the desired temperature is reached, one must dunk the part in an oil bath, in my case vegetable oil. The oil will burn into the surface of the steel, leaving a black appearance that provides some protection against rust. In the future I want to make a video comparing rust resistance of cold bluing and hot bluing, so stay tuned for that. Once the part has cooled down a bit, you can extract it from the oil and clean it with a rag. If done correctly, the part should end up with a nice and even black surface. Thanks for watching this video, please consider subscribing and feel free to share your knowledge in the comments. See you next time.